Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free trials in the SHEIN app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. And you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the SHEIN app. It usually opens up in the home menu, the shop menu, but we have to go into the Me menu. Let's tap on that. And here in the middle at the More Services row, we can see Free Trial Center. We tap on that. And here there are different offers of things that you can get a free trial of. For example, this rice washing machine, you can get a free trial on this one. Or two-tone polyamide fast charging lightning data, anything, you can get a free trial on this one, and a lot of things. So if you want to get free trials, you just come here and browse and select something. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.